How to make gold-colored icing. When decorating desserts like cakes, cookies, and other treats, gold-colored icing is ideal. In that regard, there are several tips and tricks to help you achieve that perfect gold color. One can obtain that wide range of gold shades by adding a bit of shimmer. In addition to that, you can use edible gold luster dust. Using this helps you achieve a less artificial shade of gold. What colors make gold icing? To achieve the right color of gold that you desire, mixing the right color is important. With that, make a small batch of frosting and food coloring to find the right combination of yellow and orange. If orange food coloring is unavailable, you can make an orange color at home. You can do it by combining equal drops of red and yellow in a white bowl. You can try to make a buttercream color chart with different frosting and food color combinations. Do this until you can achieve the exact color that you desire. Moreover, when mixing frosting colors, always start small. If the color you made is not as dark as you wanted, you can add half a drop of yellow. Likewise, you can add orange food coloring. Also, keep in mind that it relies on what you want the color to be. With that, ensure to achieve the right shade. When using gel food coloring, start with 1/4 teaspoon of yellow food coloring. Then, add 1/8 teaspoon of orange coloring. After that, gradually add more if necessary. However, know that less is better until you can achieve the perfect shade that you want. How to make gold-colored icing. Step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Before anything else, prepare 2 cups of white buttercream frosting. Then, take a cup of white frosting and set it aside. Remember, you will use the extra white frosting for the color corrections later if needed. Step 2. Afterward, place the other cup of white frosting into a medium-sized, white mixing bowl. Then, add 6 yellow gel food coloring drops. Don't forget to add a drop of an orange gel food coloring. Step 3. Next, mix thoroughly to ensure that all the white frosting combines well to avoid having patches of white. Step 4. Finally, if you want a deep gold color, add another drop of orange and another 2 drops of yellow. However, if you feel it's too dark, add a tablespoon of the set-aside white frosting. Make sure to do it till you are okay with the color. Gold icing coloring. Do this to create different shades of metallic gold like bronze or rose gold with shiny gold. For starters, you can use a range of color combinations with a speck of edible luster dust. Also, you can put a little bit of brown food coloring to a yellow icing. Bear in mind that it is for the bronze or copper shade. Likewise, you can make a brown shade food coloring by mixing an equal quantity of red, blue, and yellow. Moreover, you can use your gold luster dust to paint your icing to create the right color combination. Additionally, paint your gold color metallic paint in layers of light pink icing for the rose gold. Keep in mind that the vodka serves as a paint thinner. Because of that, it will remove the shiny finish. Note that a careful mixture of yellow, red, and green food coloring can shade closer to gold. However, using only food coloring cannot give icing the shiny effect of gold. So with that, edible gold luster dust can make gold icing decorations more realistic. Metallic gold icing. To achieve that metallic gold effect, you can use royal icing. Remember that royal icing can harden quickly, creating a smooth surface suitable for painting your metallic mixture. Also, you can pipe onto the softer frosting. Likewise, you can paint with metallic gold. Moreover, you can use edible luster dust to achieve your metallic gold icing. Bear in mind that edible luster dust comes in a great range of colors and shades of gold. To use edible luster, mix it with clear alcohol like vodka, gin, white rum, or a clear extract flavor with alcohol. Afterward, mix 3 to 4 drops of alcohol for each half teaspoon of luster dust. Then, add more alcohol to the edible luster. Doing this maintains the consistency of the paint as the alcohol tends to evaporate. Lastly, use a small paintbrush for painting fine details or decorations. You can use a wide brush so you can layer metallic paint on top of another. Do this till you can attain your desired outcome. Then, allow each layer of the metallic gold paint to dry before adding another layer. Remember that the waiting time is not long because you use alcohol-based, so drying time is short. Likewise, alcohol will not affect your frosting flavor. Also, since it dries quickly, it will not make your frosting runny. Moreover, you may add the edible golden luster directly to your untinted icing. Note that tinted icing will require less edible golden luster. In addition to that, it will result in better coverage. Tips and tricks. Consider piping, drizzling, and covering gold-colored icing into your cake, cupcake, or cookie. With that, it would be best if you waited for your buttercream icing to harden for about an hour. Then, allow your royal icing to harden for about 8 hours. Moreover, have a supply of small paintbrushes with your cake decorating supplies. With that, use your brushes only for cake decorating to keep them safe for making edible art. Furthermore, you can use small food storage containers to mix your edible luster dust. With that, if you have leftover luster dust paint, you can keep the container open. Do it till all of the alcohol on the paint evaporates. After it evaporates, you will have a dry and hardened edible luster in the bottom of the container. Then, cover the container or place a lid. Remember, keep your hardened luster with your cake decorating supplies. Ultimately, if you need to use the edible luster, mix a few drops of alcohol into your hardened edible luster. Do this to maintain paint consistency. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.